I'm gonna be spending a night in the orchard because tonight it's supposed to frost and we do not want any of these peach trees and their flowers to get burnt. So I'm gonna be out here starting fires and covering peach trees. And I'm gonna be sleeping out in the orchard. So here we go. I got all the wood out here. I'm just using pallet boards, got the tractor, but the sun is setting. You can see how pretty that is. Really beautiful. But we're gonna start all the fires now. We'll probably do 10 or so in the orchard because we'll just do them right on the grass, because the smoke helps get rid of all the frost and keeps the frost from settling on the blooms. So I got 2 crates. This is another one I got here, but you can see the trees are in full bloom right now. It's about 1 in the morning, 1 a.m. You can see there's some frost on the ground, but we got most of our fires going now, and they should be heating everything up and keeping everything from burning. So I got like 3/4 left of this pallet boards. That's what I'm mainly burning, and then also using a bunch of chunks in between. But over here I got this diesel electric heater. That should help good. But we got most of our fires going. We're still gonna do a few more around here, so it's gonna be a long night. It's like lit up from all the fires. So I'm gonna be sleeping in the bed of our mini truck. I have an air mattress in my sleeping bag. I'm just gonna sit up here, watch these fires, and then probably in like an hour or so I'll come fill the fires back up with wood. But this is my sleeping setup I got right here in the bed of the mini truck. So this is where I'll be watching all the fires for the next several hours.